Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to archive a job on Ziprecruiter. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Ziprecruiter employer account, which of course I have done right here. Now I'd like you to know that Ziprecruiter is a job site that aims to match businesses with the right people for their open roles. It's AI matching, finds and reaches out to specific job candidates to apply for your open position as soon as it goes live. So now that we know what Ziprecruiter is about, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to archive a job on Ziprecruiter. From this homepage, please head over to the left corner of your screen. You're going to find dashboard, jobs, candidates, invite to apply, resume database, messages, help, and activate. So move your cursor down to jobs and you're going to find this extended menu that says active job, draft job, close job, archived job. So go ahead and click on archived jobs. It's going to take you to a window where you're going to see the list of all the jobs that you have archived. I have not archived any job, but you're going to find the list of all the jobs you've archived. So this is what you're going to find, right? So you're going to find a list of all the jobs you've archived. So they're going to be here. This is what it's going to look like. So once you have reached the list of archived jobs, select the checkbox next to the job that you'd like to unarchive. This is what the checkbox looks like. So select the checkbox, and once you click on it, a pop-up window will appear to the right of the checkbox. This is what the pop-up window looks like. So you're going to see unarchive. So select unarchive, and once you select unarchive, the job will be unarchived. So this is pretty much how you can unarchive a job that you have archived in Ziprecruiter. So let's say you want to unarchive just one particular job. You can click on the select the job, all right, just one. But if you want to unarchive a couple others, like many of the jobs, if you want to unarchive many jobs at the same time, just check the boxes, check all the boxes. Once you check all the boxes, you're going to see this pop up. So just go ahead and click on unarchive and you'll be able to unarchive it. Or if you want to check or select all the boxes, just check one of the box. You're going to see this select all. So click on select all and all of them will be selected. So select unarchive to unarchive them at once. So this is pretty much the process. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.